Frankfurt. Frankfurt is Germany's business and finance hub, but there is so much worth seeing for the tourists. Let's start with Frankfurt's Old Town, which was almost completely destroyed during the Second World War. Its reconstruction was completed only in 2017. Today, you can again admire well-restored timber-framed houses while enjoying a coffee and people-watching. Frankfurt is Germany's and Europe's leading museum location, thanks to its magnificent museum embankment, consisting of 15 museums. One of them is dedicated to Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, Germany's most famous author and poet. He grew up in this house together with his parents and his sister, and you could admire many of the house's rooms. In stunning contrast to the modern buildings, there is the 47-meter-high Eschenheim Tower, completed in 1428. It used to serve as the city gate of Frankfurt's late medieval fortifications. Today, it is home to a cafe. Another one of the city's landmarks is the 240-meter-high main tower. If you are not scared of heights, enjoy incredible views from its observation deck. Be sure to taste Frankfurt's traditional green sauce, served cold over hard-boiled eggs and boiled potatoes. And enjoy the Christmas markets. They belong to the largest and oldest in Germany. Its origins date back to 1393. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.